Good morning, my little explorer.
Today is a special day.
I am making sweet pancakes for our breakfast.
Oh no! The pancake is flying! Now it is stuck on the ceiling! I am a very silly chef.
Good morning, you two. Are we eating our breakfast on the ceiling today? That is so funny.
Daddy makes flying food. It looks like a funny hat for our house. I love it.
Ta-da-da! I caught it. Teamwork is very important in our family. Now, let's eat before it gets cold.
Here is your delicious breakfast, sir. A perfect pancake from the sky. Please enjoy your meal.
Yummy. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. This is the best breakfast ever. I am so full and happy.
Now that our tummies are full, let's play a game. Let's build a big secret castle in the living room.
Yes! I am a strong builder. I will put these soft pillows under the blanket to make our castle comfortable. Roar!
I am the friendly monster of the castle. Do you have any treasure for me, brave king?
Stop, friendly monster. You cannot enter my castle. You must say the magic English word first.
I know the answer. The magic word is please. Can we please come inside your beautiful castle?
Correct, Mommy. Please is a very polite word.
You can come inside.
Welcome to my secret castle. Achoo!
Oh no, the friendly monster sneezed too hard. Our big castle is falling down.
That was so much fun. Now, let's get some fresh air. The garden is very beautiful today.
Wow, come look at this, Sammy. I see a tiny insect here. It is red with small black spots.
What is it?
It is a ladybug.
Hello, little ladybug. You are very cute and red, just like a sweet apple.
Great job, Sammy. A ladybug is a lovely insect. Can you find something else in our garden that is yellow?
I found it! Mommy, your warm sweater is yellow! And the big bright sun in the sky is yellow too!
You are so smart, buddy. Learning colors outside is so much fun. Green grass, red bugs, and the yellow sun.
I love our funny, happy family. Every single day is a wonderful adventure when we learn and laugh together. The garden was so beautiful. Now, let us draw what we saw. We can draw the cute red ladybug and the bright yellow sun.
I am drawing the little ladybug. It is very round and very red. Look, Mommy, I am a great artist today.
I tried to draw the tiny red ladybug, but my bug ate too much food. It looks exactly like a big brown potato.
Daddy drew a potato. Oops, now you have a blue nose, Daddy. You look like a very funny clown.
Honk honk! I am the happy blue-nosed clown. But oh no, we are getting very messy with our colors today. All right, my messy little artists.
The drawing class is over. Let us march to the bathroom to wash our hands and faces cleanly.
Here we are. We must wash our hands and faces so they are clean and fresh. Let us use soap and warm water.
Wow, look at all the magic bubbles. I am rubbing my hands left and right, up and down. Washing is so much fun.
Ho, 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 ho! Look at me, Sammy. I am the wise old man of the bubbles. I have a very long white beard.
You two are the silliest boys in the world. But now, please use the clean water to wash the bubbles and the colors away.
Brrr, the water is cool and nice. Splash, 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 splash. My face is completely clean now, Mommy.
Thank you for the soft towels, Mommy.
We use clean water to wash away the dirt.
Now my face feels very fresh and happy.
What a wonderfully busy day we had. Let us read a story about animals tonight. Listening to stories helps us learn new things.
Look at this animal. It is a funny monkey. Monkeys love to climb high trees and eat sweet yellow bananas.
Ooh, 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 ah, ah. I am a little monkey too, but I am a very sleepy monkey. My eyes are getting tired.
You two are very funny monkeys. Now look at this next page. This animal has a very long neck.
Hello down there.
I am a very tall giraffe. I use my long neck to reach the tasty green leaves at the top.
Giraffes are so tall. I like learning about amazing animals with you, Daddy and Mommy. The world is so big and wonderful.
Yes, the world is wonderful, my sweet boy. And we will learn more about it tomorrow. It is time to close your eyes now.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, Daddy.
Thank you for playing and learning with me today. I love our funny and happy family so much. Night, our little explorer.
Dream about flying pancakes, tall giraffes, and beautiful yellow suns.
We love you very much.
Sleep tight, my darling. Tomorrow is a brand new day for more fun adventures. Sweet dreams.
What a beautiful and happy day. Our family is filled with so much laughter and love.